Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, today morning I got this product from AliExpress. I don't know what is inside this packet. So first I like to open this product with you, then I will discuss details about this product. Friends, before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, then please try to subscribe this channel with the bell icon so that you can get quick notification when I upload new video on this channel. So let's start the video after a small intro. So friends, first I like to open this product. So let's open this product. Okay, it's wireless charger. Here you can see. Inside nothing. Guys, you will find this product link in this video description. So here you can see this is a really small and slim wireless charger. Here you can see one instruction page. So they provide me a type C USB charger. Okay, here you can see the product. They told me this is a fast wireless charger, and here you can see fast wireless charger. I don't know this is a really fast wireless charger or not. Backside the company name Rock wireless charger. Input 5 volt 2 ampere and to 9 volt 2 ampere. Output 7.5, 10 and 5, made in China. At the top here you can see one layer. So I open this. This is a really nice look wireless charger, and this is really slim. Now I like to test this wireless charger work or not. So I'm connecting this wireless charger with my laptop. Here you can see one green light is showing. Here you can see. Here is my phone. Now I like to test this wireless charger work or not. So I'm going to put this phone on this. Okay, it's working. Here you can see it's charging. So if I show closely, charging. This is iPhone 6 and I use this coil on my iPhone 6s Plus so that I can make this phone wireless. Here you can see it's charging. Guys, one option you need to know, here you can see the blue light is now turned on. That's mean it's charging. When I remove my phone, green light will be turned on. Okay, here you can see green light is now turned on. And if I put my phone on this wireless charger, then it will be blue. Here you can see this is now blue. So this is a really good product, I think. Guys, I don't know this is a really a fast charger or not, because today morning I got this product. I have no time to test this wireless charger yet. So I hope you like this video. If you are, then please click on the like button. If you want to purchase this product, you will find this product link in this video description. Guys, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please try to subscribe this channel with the bell icon so that you can get quick notification when I upload new video on this channel. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.